Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Yesterday we started unit 7, that was little by little one walks far. In this lesson the writer expresses his experience of freedom and responsibility, and he did many jobs during his summer vacation. He worked in different institutions, and by doing these jobs he is satisfied and he has got the experience. We did first 3 paragraphs. Today we will start from the fourth paragraph, that is on page 81. I am glad, मैं खुश हूँ, that I have got a taste, कि मैंने उस ज़ौक़ को पा लिया, for what the real world has to offer, जो हकीकी दुनिया ने, जो असली दुनिया ने मुझे पेश करना था. मैं खुश हूँ कि हकीकी दुनिया ने जो कुछ मुझे पेश करना है, मैंने उस ज़ौक़ को पा लिया है. I have learned many lessons from my public schools, boarding school and work experiences. मैंने अपने पब्लिक हाई स्कूल, अकामती स्कूल और मुलाजमत के तजर्बात से कई असबाक सीखे. I am ready now to learn many more lessons through my college experiences. I am ready now, मैं अब तैयार हूँ, to learn many more lessons, कई और सबक सीखने के लिए, through my college experience, कॉलेज के तजर्बे के ज़रिए. Although it has been tough, अगरचे ये मेरे लिए मुश्किल रहा, I have succeeded, मैं कामयाब हुआ. So far, अब I am prepared to excel and make it much further. अब मैं सबकत ले जाने और अपने कॉलेज की तालीम के साथ आने वाले दिनों में इसको आगे जाने के लिए, मज़ीद आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार हूँ. This developing positive outlook, ये मुस्बत सोच, तरक्की पाती हुई मुस्बत सोच, has given me the motivation, इसने मुझे मुतहर्रिक किया है, मुझे तहरीक दी है, that I need to become successful, जो मुझे कामयाब होने के लिए जिसकी मुझे ज़रूरत थी. इसने मुझे वो मुस्बत मुहर्रिक दिया है, मुस्बत सोच दी है जिसकी आगे बढ़ने के लिए मुझे ज़रूरत थी. I never give up, मैं कभी हार नहीं मानता. When I am determined to achieve, मैं जब कुछ पाने के लिए ठान लूँ, I shoot for the moon and land amongst the stars, मैं चाँद की तरफ प्रवास करता हूँ और सितारों के दरमियान उतरता हूँ. यानी कि जो चीज़ मुझे इम्पॉसिबल लगती है उसके लिए मैं एफर्ट कर लेता हूँ, पुख्ता इरादा कर लेता हूँ और फिर मैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए आगे चलता जाता हूँ, अपने गोल पर, अपने मोटिवेशन को हासिल करने के लिए अपनी पूरी एफर्ट्स करता हूँ. Come to the box questions. Question number 1. What kind of a person is the author? The author is a young man who has handled many tough tasks of teenage. Question number 2. Why does the author want to imply by mentioning his co-curricular activities? The writer wants to tell us that he is a well-rounded student by mentioning his co-curricular activities. Next question is, how have these job experiences made the author more mature? These job experiences have developed a sense of responsibility, thus he has become more mature. What has motivated the author to participate so actively? His positive outlook on life has motivated him to participate in co-curricular activities and be a positive person. Come to the vocabulary. Give the meaning of each word as used in the lesson. Circumstances, environmental conditions, participant, partaker, participator, priority, preference, contest, game, competition, preceding, previous, excel, outshine, outclass, motivation, incentive, inspiration, financially, economically. Next, explain each phrase as used in the lesson. Long bumpy ride. A long bumpy ride, एक तवील कठिन सफ़र, a long difficult journey. Long bumpy ride, long difficult journey. Earned the first place. Earned the first place, अव्वल आना. Secured first position. A well-rounded student, हर तरह की खूबियाँ रखने वाला student. A student having various abilities. A student with various abilities. Along with a group of other students. दूसरे तलबा के हमरा, ग्रुप के दूसरे तलबा के साथ. In the company of other students. Along with a group of other students, in the company of other students. To look forward, मुंतज़िर होना, wait for, long for, made it this far, अभी तक कामयाब रहा, managed it up to now, managed it up to now. Choose the correct options. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me, as they have for everyone of my age. Long bumpy ride means hard and challenging time. Next, the author thinks he will become a well-rounded student by partaking both in academic and co-curricular activities. Next, his summer jobs in the preceding 2 years helped him gain an understanding of independence and responsibility. The author has become more mature and responsible because of his job experiences. This developing positive outlook has given the author the motivation he needs to become successful.